So hello guys, welcome back to this amazing lecture. This is the chapter 3 of Python series. So today we will discuss data structures core collections. Okay. So far we have only stored single values in variable like age is equal to 21 and name is equal to Rahul. But in the real world, we often need to handle a lot of data at once. But if we needed to store the names of 100 students in a class, creating 100 separate variables would be a terrible idea because like 100 different variables is like a very long code, and this is a very like wrong way to create 100 students data at once. Okay, this is exactly where we need data structures collections. Containers let us store and manage large amount of data smartly. Today, the table of content is strings. Strings we will discuss in strings indexing and slicing. Second, list. Third, tuples. Fourth, sets. Then dictionaries. Choosing the right one. Then we will make a mini program. Okay. See, uh, we will make a mini program. Smart contact book. Okay. At last, I will give you some homework questions that you will practice at home yourself. So, start the lecture. First, we have strings. Okay. Uh, the definition of string is a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. So far, we have only learned how to create a string. Now we will learn how to access the letters inside it. In Python, every character has an index position. And here is the most important thing to remember. Counting start from 0, not 1. Like, what is indexing? See that. This is like this line we know. Like we make a string and this is the value that is stored in the variable word. Okay. Now, now this has different types of indexing number. Like the first alphabet is in zero index and the second alphabet is in one. The index number is start from 0 to 1. See that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. See, P is 0, Y is 1, and T is 2, H is 3, O is 4, and N is 5. Like if you want any one character from a word, then you can use indexing like that. Write print, then brackets, word, then square brackets, and what alphabet do you need? Like if you need like P, then you can write P is in what index? Like P is in zero index, then you write zero here in square brackets. Okay. Then if you need H, if you need H from the Python, then count 0, 1, 2, 3. Then H is in 3 index value. Then you can write 3 here. Print word. This is a variable name. First you write the variable name, then what index do you need? That is the whole point. Okay. Yeah, this is from 0 to like number the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This there is a second method also. If you see a word from left to right side, then the index is follow as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It always starts from 0. If you see a word from left to right side. Now, if you see a word from right to left side, if you need like right element, right side last character, like if you need n, so you can also use like -1. If you want right to left, then it follow as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Like I said. Okay. Like if you want n character, you can also use -1. This is like same. Like if you use here 5, or you can use -1. These both are same. Like, these are two different strategies. Like what do you want? Okay, you can use in both ways. Like you can see an example. Section. Now we can make fourth file collections dot py. Yeah, run collections dot py. Now we will take an example. First, like we will take name. Okay, HUSH ARON. Now close the this. Now print. Now what is the variable name? Variable name is name. Now square brackets. Now what do you want? Uh, okay. Like if you need A, like if you need A from the whole word, then count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is in fifth index. So you write 5. Now run the code. See that A will come. This is simple. This is very easy. Okay. Now if you want U. Now if you want U character from the Khush Aurora, then you can uh, count the index 0, 1, 2. Second index. Then write the second U. U will come. Okay. Now see, like I'm writing Khush Aurora is a very smart person. Okay. Like this is a very long uh, line. If you need if you need a person character O and N, then what do you write? Like you can write in reverse form. Like first, like this is from here to there, start index 0 to that number. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like from here. Now, if you want from here to there, then it starts from -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Then if I want print name, if I want O, okay. -1, -2, -2. Then see the result. Oh, -2 now. See, O is coming. And if you want n, then minus 1. I will copy this n minus 1. Yeah, n is come. Okay. This is this is known as indexing. If you need one character from a word, then this is known as indexing. Hmm. Every character has an index position. Okay. Hmm. Now what is slicing? Slicing is that if there is a line, if you need any word like this, uh, indexing is if you need any character from a word or a line, so you can use indexing where like one alphabet is given. Now slicing is means if you need a part of string, like from there to there, this is known as slicing. Like if you need a word or a line from a like whole paragraph or some lines, then you can use this. A slicing formula, like this is the formula of a slicing. Like this is the start point where you need to start the indexing, and this is the stop point where you need to stop the indexing. This is a step. This step means where you skip. That means this if you write two, then it skip two alphabet, then goes to next. This is known as slicing. The stop index is never included. The stop index. If we write like here, uh, like start from 0 and end to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then love is the output, L is not come. Like stop index is never included in the output. Remember this. Okay. Now see some example. I will comment this. Now college. If I write the college name, lovely profession. Okay, double quotes. Remember this always. Lovely professional. Okay. Then if you need like if you need a word professional, okay, then we see print is the variable college, then square brackets. If you need professional, then uh, see the number indexing number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It starts from 7 to now stop point. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I will include 20 because 20 is never printed in the output and 20 is the space. Okay, now see the output. I will run the code. See that professional is okay. Okay, this is how. Like, see, if I include the space, oh, if I include the like starting space, 7, 6, see the difference. Why the output is not at zero? Oh, this is 2. How you can see it? This is 21. I cut the 1. Okay, like 6. Okay. Then see, there is a space in the starting. Like this is the space. It counts space also. Like space has their own indexing number. Okay. Now, see, print, college, square brackets, like 0, 0 to, and let's see that if you don't write anything, it will count at last like infinite. Wait a second. Uh, Let's see. Like if we don't write anything, it means it's 0. The index is 0. And like if left side, if we don't write anything, it starts from the like top left side. Start from at last first alphabet. Okay. And if we don't write anything, like this is the start, this is the stopping index. And if we don't write anything in the stopping index, it cover the whole line. Okay. Like see that. Now tell me what is the output. Comment below. Okay. Now if I run this code, the output is lovely professional university. It run the whole line. Now if I write like randomly 8, now see the output. Lovely professional. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 8 is not count. Okay. Now, now this is the starting index. This is the stopping index. Now this is the index that we skip. Okay. Now I am writing here 2. Now see the output. Now see the output level RFESOA University. Now see the like it skips 2 alphabet. First L, first L, then skip 1, 2 V, then skip 1, 2 L. Like that. It skip uh, one alphabet at a time, I think. If you write here 2, it means like it skip one alphabet. L, O, skip O, V, skip E, L, skip Y, space. Okay. Then P skip R, O skip F, F skip E. Like that. This is slicing. Okay. Now, where I am now. This slicing. Now there are some useful methods in strings. For example, I copy this. I'm commenting this. Okay. Now like this is a upper method. Okay. This is a replace method. If we want to replace any word from any word, any other word, so we use replace method. And this is split method. Uh, it make a list. It make a list and split every word of a line. Okay, it splits some spaces into a list. First, we will use upper function. It also has lower function as well. Print text dot upper. See, it has many functions. You can use and try like how this function work. Okay, I will tell you like important function only. Upper text dot upper. See, see this line. This is in like lower alphabet. Okay, now this is an upper alphabet. This is the difference. We have lower as well. If all the alphabets are in upper form, then you can lower the words. Text dot lower. See that this is lower. Okay. Now the second important is replace. If you replace something, if you want to replace any word from any other word, then you can use this. For example, I want to replace fun with amazing. So fun. Okay. Here the word from the line which we want to replace, and here the word we want to write in behalf of fun, like amazing. Amazing. Now run the code. Learning AI is amazing. And this is correct. Learning AI is amazing. This is very easy. Okay. This is all the strings. This is all about string. Now move to the second list. The most popular container. Okay. Definition of list. A list is an ordered collection of items that is changeable, mutable. Mutable means changeable. Remember this mutable word because list is mutable, and if this is mutable, you can like change, add items, remove items. Like you can put different data types in one list, and you can add, remove, or change items later. Okay. Think of a list like a cricket squad. You can add player, drop player, and set their batting order. Okay. A list is always created using square brackets. Remember this. List is in square brackets. Remember this like L, this L, square bracket. Okay. I also used to remember like this, like L, so square brackets list. Now creating and accessing a list. Now we are seeing that how to create a list first. Like this is a variable in which we create a list and add different players word different player names. Okay, this is a variable, this is the values, and this is a list which is uh, now we make list first. I'm commenting this all. Now friends list. Okay, this is a symbol of list. Now one by one name, enter. Rohan, Rishabh, Ishita, Suhani, Prayag, Gaurav. Okay, this is the name. Now, see that. Now we see uh, indexing in list. Okay, like in string, if this string is a like word or a like line, if we need a one character, we use like indexing. Okay, same as that. In that, in this list, the names are differentiated by indexing. Like first Rohan is in zero index number, and the second Rishabh is in one index number. Like zero, one, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, same like that. From if you move from right to left, if you index this from right to left, you can use like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Same like that as list. Oh, string. Okay. Now we access like if we want to access the Ishita, then print friends and square brackets, because if we access the index, then we write in square bracket. Then what is the number of Ishita? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then 2. See that. Now if we want to access Prayag, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like print friends 4. Okay. Prayag. Now, no, same like that. If I want to access Prayag from right to left, like -1, -2. See, I write -2. Yes, -2. See, Prayag will come again. Okay. So this is how we access, and see that you can also change the name in any index. Okay. Like if I want to replace Ishita, okay, like friends and where 0, 1, 2. Okay. If I want to replace 2, now I write the new name. Like I write Kushi. Okay. Now the new list. Now the we make like new list. Okay. Now we replace the Ishita from Kushi. Now if we access the number 2, print friends number 2. So what is the output? See, Kushi. Because it is mutable. You can change any of the indexes name. Okay. I don't know why I when I say every line and I said okay, I think my English communication. So next step, like these are the like some methods to add and remove the items from the list. Okay, like if we made one list and there are two items in the list, then this append means adds to the end. This volleyball is add to the list in the end. This is the append method. Now insert method. Insert method, if you want to add at specific position, then you can use insert. Like one, tennis, tennis is add in the first index. See that? Like 0, 1, then tennis. Okay. At last, volleyball. Volleyball. Now remove. If you want to remove something, delete the specific item, then it removes. Like football. It removes the football. Now print sport. This is the new list we created. Like first we append the volleyball, then volleyball is add in the last of the list. Then the list is created like cricket, football, volleyball. Then we insert tennis in the first index because like first index is football. Then we add tennis in the first. This is like cricket, tennis, football, volleyball. Then we remove football. Okay. Then football is removed and the new list is created. See, I will show you. I will show you in this list. Okay. I will commenting all this. Now print French dot append. What do you want to append? Like new name, Pushkar. Okay. Now if I print list, now see the output. Okay. Now see, Pushkar is add in the last. Okay. Now if we want to insert print friends dot insert, like if we want to add in index one Abhinav. Okay. Now see the output. See the output. Rohan Abhinav. Abhinav is in the first index. Now Rishabh, Ishita, and at last we like append Pushkar. A Pushkar is in the last. Okay, that is how we append, like add and remove the elements from the list. Now see the remove print friends. Remove remove like which element? Two. So I think in this we don't write index number. We write the name. We write the name here. Okay, Ishita. Now see the output. Ishita is not in the list. Like that. You can do like that. Okay. Now we have to do slicing in the list. Work exactly like string slicing. For example, name. This is the list in which we have integer value, integer elements. Okay. You can write both string as well as integer in the list. Okay. So uh, now you can slicing in the list print number. Like you need 1 to 4. So what is the output for this code? Tell me in the comment section. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not included. So 1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 40. 20, 40, 30 is the output. Okay? 20, 30, 40. Print from first index to 3. Now see, like reverse the whole list. If you want to reverse the whole list, then like this is the trick. This is the slicing method you can use to reverse the whole string. Okay, like this is the variable. Now starting point, stopping point, starting from like 10 to 60, and this is the skip part. If you write here -1, it will start from -1 and printing the same thing in the list. Okay, let's start from -1, 60, then 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. It will do as like if you don't write anything, it will uh, it will give the output like 0 to end. Okay, start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you write -1, it will reverse the whole string. It will write 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay, this is the method same as like I will show you the output. If you don't believe on my oh, on me, okay. No, print numbers. Now we want to write like from 1 to 5. Okay. If I write this, now see what is the output 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. If I write 4, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now if I reverse the whole screen, first the whole string -1. Oh, see, I reverse the like string part. See Gaurav Prayag, like Gaurav Prayag, so many like that. You can reverse the string also, but here I want to reverse the numbers. Now see the output 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. This is the power of slicing. Okay. Remember this, like this question can be asked by the interviewer, or if you are in college, then this question can be like given in your paper, can be asked by your like in the semester exam also in the viva. Okay. Now list comprehension, advanced but easy. This is the list comprehension, the way of writing a bigger loop in a single line. Okay. If I need a list of squares from 1 to 5, like this is like a for loop, but you can write in a single line. This is but okay. For example, like you write for loop, then you do the operation in the next line. Now, now this is run like squares is a variable. Now, okay, squares is a variable. This is like we do operation on for loop, but it gives the value like 4x in range 1 to 6. First, first it gives 1, you know, like for loop how it goes. For loop for x in range 1 to 6. First, this will run. See like that. Now it gives the value 1. Now value 1 is going to the variable x and do the operation like 1 with 1 Power 2, it gives ones. Now 2. 2 will go to the x and 2 power 2 the power 2, 4. Now 3. 3 will go to the x. Now 3 the power 2, 9. Okay, like that. If we write the code, thing like that, yes. Okay. Also, see one thing, list comprehension means. What is the list comprehension means? It gives the output in the list form. So see like that, x, okay, 4. I think I write the, yeah, 4 x in range. What is the range? Like we want to range 1 to 11 because 11 is not included, so it is like 10. Like if we want a table, then you can do uh, like this is the table of 2. If I write this, yeah, see like that. Print squares. Like this is the table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, understand this. Like first one is going to x. Now x into 2. Okay, 2. Now second number. It is going to 1 to 10 because 11 is not included. Yeah, simple. This is okay. This is list comprehension advanced. This is the advanced version of list. Now tuples. Video. 43 minutes. Nice. Now see tuples. The unchangeable list. What is the definition of tuple? A tuple is just like a list, but it is immutable, cannot be changed. Once you create it, you cannot add, remove, or modify elements. It is same like list, but you cannot change, like you cannot add, remove, or modify elements. Okay, like you can make the list of numbers uh, and like different like strings also, but see this, the lists are created from square brackets and tuples are created from parentheses. Okay, tuples are created using parentheses, these parentheses, like circle brackets working. It's like circle brackets, parentheses. Okay, use them when you want to keep data safe so that no one can accidentally change it, like a bank account IFC code or a date of birth, because this is the information that don't need to change uh, for the full life. Okay. Now, first example, how to create a tuple. See, this is the variable name, and this is the tuple. This is the three element. Okay. You know, like how to indexing 0, 1, 2. Now you understood what is the indexing, slicing, because I tell you many times. I am telling you this many times. What is slicing, indexing? Okay. I comment all these. These all are used to store like when you have large amount of data. Okay. Now see that how to create a tuple. Taking a parenthesis. Now like 1, 4, 5. Print a 1. It gives 4. Like that is what. Now see if I want to change indexing number 0, 1, 2 to 5. Okay. The value 5 to 10. Okay. See like that. A like 2 is equal to, it gives error 20, maybe 10. Okay. Then if I want to print, see it gives error because you cannot change or modify any number from the tuple. Remember this. Tuple is immutable, list is mutable. You can see like that. Prove that tuples are immutable. Okay. Okay. Now tuple unpacking. See, this student info is variable name and these are the values. Uh, this is like unpacking. This assigned all three at once. The student info has three values. BTech CSC 2025 to 2029. Okay. Now see, if we write student info on right hand side and if I write three variable names, three variable names, so it automatically assign to the values that we stored in the variable student info. Okay, like that. Like these are equal to these. If we equal to these, like okay. For example, do mathematics, cut, and these are equal to these. This assign all the values to this variable. Okay. This method is means this method is called tuple unpacking. See, I'm copying this and commenting this first. Now see, now if I run the code, the first the output is BTech course. Like course first element has first value. Okay, so BTech CSC like BTech CSC. Okay, now and here third element has third value 2029. So it will print 2029. So this is called unpacking. Now we have sets. Hmm. Sets, the unique collection. What is the definition of set? A set is an unordered collection of items where every item must be unique. In sets, we have every item is unique. Like in list, we can add 2, 2, 5, 5. We can add multiple items at multiple times. But in sets, you can add one item at one time. No, you can have one item at uh, in one set. Okay, like one item should be unique in the set. Sets are created using curly brackets. Okay, this is the curly brackets you can use to make sets. If you try to add the same value 10 times to a set, it will only count it once. Duplicate values are automatically removed. Okay. See, movies. Interstellar, Matrix, Interstellar, Dune. You are writing interstellar at two times. Now, if I print the movies variable, then it will automatically remove interstellar. See, the order may vary. Like it shuffle the whole the sets. Okay. Like in sets, we don't use indexing or slicing because the value in the sets is improper. Okay. Remember this, the value in the sets are improper, so we don't use indexing or slicing in the sets. And sets has unique values always. If I write, I'm pointing this. A is equal to W basis push, push, square. Okay. Now I am writing my name two times. Okay. Now see, if I print A, what will happen? Oh, see, this push and this push is different. See that? Like this push K has capital and this push K is small. Like if we do the same K. Now this push is same. Okay, now if I run the code, it will automatically remove one push and push the at same side. Okay, this is how it works. You can do with the number also. Practice it with the number also. Now set operators, union and intersection. These are the like methods like uh, that we seen in the l- list list like append, remove. Okay, this is same like that. So yeah, I copy this. Now see, like it's if we combine the both names in a one set, then you can use union. Like you you were studied also in the mathematics sets operations, union, intersection, and the many more like I don't remember this time. I don't remember now, but like you can use like union and intersection in the Python also. This is like the mathematical function also, like the first chapter of the 11th class, I think. Okay. Then if we want to union on batch A and batch B, then you can use dot union batch. Then you can write the other name that you want to union. Okay. And see one thing, like if the two sets has same value, then it will remove the one value. Like it will because it uh, in the output it shown the always a unique value. In sets there are no duplicate value. So it will remove automatically one value from the output. Combine both sets, no duplicates. If we intersect, if we intersect this, then it shows the intersection value. Like Rishabh is common between both batch A and batch B. Then it shows only Rishabh. See, print batch A dot union batch B. C. Aman Vikas Rishabh Prayag Rahul. Aman Vikas Rishabh Prayag Rahul. Rishabh 1 Rishabh is removed. Now if we want to intersection, writing intersection, the Rishabh is printed. Hmm. Now, now we are talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries has key value pairs. The definition is simple. A dictionary stores data in key and value in pairs. Okay, like first, data in key and value in pairs. What type of value is stored in data? This is the variable name, and this is the value, and this is the data. Okay, and key pairs, key pair, key value. This is the key, this is the value. Okay, now think of a real life dictionary. You look up a word key and you get its meaning value. Uh, See like that, like you have a dictionary and you see one word, you are finding one word from the dictionary, and you can, when you find a word, you also get a value like the meaning of the word. Python dictionaries also use curly brackets, but the format is different from sets. It also has brackets. Dictionaries also has curly brackets, same like sets. For example, this is a variable name and this is the curly brackets. Now this is the key and this is the value. Okay, this stored in key value. Like Jarvis is the name and the version is the 2.0. Language is the Python. Now we print. Now we, if we want to print one value from the key value, so we write the variable name. Then what do we want? Like if we want name, then it prints Jarvis. Okay. Now I'm telling you after writing the code. And curly braces, name, Jarvis, comma. Then double quotes, version 2.0. And I'm doing it. Oh, see, in key value pairs, we don't use equal to, we use colon. Okay, now language. Language, we use Python, image Jarvis. So again, we use seekhenge and share. Now if we print, now what do you want? Okay, like we want name. You can write name and we'll print Jarvis. I cut this, and if I want whole AI assistant, like whole dictionary, then it will give key value pairs like that. Okay, name Jarvis, version 2.0 and language Python. Now, If we want to add and change values in dictionary, then we can do that. Like name, function branch CSC, student branch, we can change from CSC to EIML, updating the existing value and the student CGPA is 9.2. Add a new key value pair. Okay, this is new. So it will automatically add to the last. Simple. The third method, dictionary methods. If you want the whole keys of the whole dictionary, then you can use the variable name dot keys, then parenthesis. It will only print the whole keys. Okay. If you want the whole values of the dictionary, then you can use variable name dot values. It's simple. If I run this, I'm copying this, I'm commenting this. Okay. Now we want to change branch. Then branch. If we want to write PIMM, PIMM. Now the branch name is changed. We want to write new pair, PGP, PGP, 9 and if we print the student name push branch DIMN and CGP 9.2. Okay, this is the output. You can add, change the value in the dictionaries. Also, you can change the values in the list as well as in the dictionaries. But you can change, don't change you cannot change the value in the tuples because tuples are permanent. And in the sets, you can have the unique values. If you write the duplicate values in the sets, it will automatically remove the same value. Okay. Now, now see, I will copy that and I will show the output. Okay, this is easy. You can do by yourself. Okay. Like this keys gives all the keys of the dictionary and these values give all the values of the dictionary. Okay. Dictionary skills, brand, model, year. Brand, model, year. Now the values Ford Mustang and 1964 and the values are Ford Mustang and 1964. Okay. Using the right data structure. Quick summary of your brain list. When the collection needs to change, add, remove or items. In list, you can add, remove items. Okay. And in the tuple, when data needs to stay fixed, when you don't want to change anything from the tuple, no changes allowed. In sets, when you need to remove duplicate or do union intersection match. Okay. Dictionaries, key value pairs. When you need the data is related to key value pairs like a user profile or details, then you can use dictionaries. Now, this is the mini program Smart Contact Book. Here we combine a list dictionaries to build a smart contact book. First, I will explain you, then we try this code, okay? Hmm. And and I will give you some homework question, like 5 homework question. First, we will do this code. This is the mini program, okay? This is a smart contact book. See, a list that holds dictionaries inside it. Okay. First, we take the you make the variable contacts and the empty list and do the while loop always true. Okay. Then prints. First print smart contact book, then prints if you want to add a friend. What do you want to like? User will see these options. Okay. Add a friend, view all friends, and exit. Then you will give choice to user. What do you want to ask? Okay. What do you want? Then choice. Then user enter input. Enter your choice. One, two, three. What do you want? Add a friend, view all friend, exit. If user enter one, what is the one? Add a friend. Then what is the name of friend? Name. Then we collect name from the user and the phone number. Okay. Um, New contact. Then we make a dictionary. Name new contact. Then we save a name in the name value like key. Then the value. Okay. Then phone in the phone. Then we append because this is the new contact. Okay. Then we append the new contact in the contact list that we created empty because it will automatically uh, fill the name and the phone number in the contacts. Now, if the user choices to view all friends, view all friends means you want to you want all the names of the friend. Then use for loop for person in contacts. It will print name one by one. Okay. See, print name, person's name because you want to name and the phone, then person's phone number. Okay. Now, if users enter three, three means exit, closing contact book, break. Because now we don't want to print anything else invalid choice. If users enter anything other than 1, 2, 3, then invalid choice. Okay. How we will make it? We we write first we take the empty contacts. Okay. Then while oh, while true, and I for the in Python we use polar. Okay. While true, then print print then contact. Okay. Then print one add a friend one one is what add a friend again again is view all friends then exit. you, friends, exit. Okay. Now this condition is always true and this will print again and again. Whenever like whenever we are out from the loop. Now we give the choice to the user. See, now we give the choice for the user. Enter your choice. One, two, three. What do you want? Okay. Now if the user enters one, if the user choice is equal to one, then then it will ask your name. Okay. Let's see. I'm only uh, I'm only writing here input. So this will automatically get a string here. Okay. So we want to write here one as a string. This is the string which will check by choice if the user enters one. Then the new name, input none, input enter name, input enter name. Now you want phone number, phone phone number. Okay. Now we take two inputs. Now, we create new contact in which we uh, add name to the key in the we save the name in the key value form. Contact name name and phone number. Hmm. Now we find the new contact in the contact. See, now new contact we have find in the contact. Uh, contact find new contact. Print save success. Okay. So also write the name save successfully. Google we use the F string F method right here. F then write in curly braces if we want to write Wait, like if we want to print any variable uh, with some string, then you can use this method. This is not that like like I don't know the name. This you can use like you want to name. Okay. Now the name will come and save successfully. Okay. Then if the user enters second part, and if choice two, now view all friends. It will copy the whole friends. Print back friend list. Do you know what is the this word like slash and this will print in a new line like this will print your friend list in a new line in the output in the friend list. Now we have to print the one by one contact name from the list. That print have the name person name and friend name. This is what like that. Now you need to enter your variable. Okay. Now the variable like the variable in the context. Okay. Like person. First, the name of the person comes here. Key value pairs. Okay. Now person has some name. Person. Now we want only their name. So we will write name also. Now phone number also. Same as that phone number. Phone. Okay. Person. Phone number. Now the user enters screen. Login contact me. Alice choice. If the user enters three, then we close the contact. Print. Closing contact. And that's part invalid choice. Try again. Invalid choice. And now this is the whole code. Now we run this code. See, see here. Welcome to the contact book app. This will give you the option. Option B is exit. Now I am running this code again. Wait, cut the code, run the code. Now see. First option is add a friend, the old friend exit. Now one. Enter name. Okay. I am writing name Harsh. Two. Hold on. It seems good if you write here this. Yeah. Now phone number. Harsh saved successfully. Okay. It is again like coming. Okay. After after you save the contact, I think you need break. And also here you will automatically find this, then break this, then break. Yeah. Now it runs. Look at that. If I enter two, your friend list. Break comes here. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Two, your friend list. Because I don't save any contact. I think this will run again and again. And if you save the contact again and again, that time it will show. Uh, yeah, don't need to like do it here. Also here. Now see that. Okay. Select one. First, phone number I'm writing. Save successfully. Then again save. Go now. Okay. And it is again saved. Now if I enter two, it is giving error because of one. That's friend list. Oh, see. Why it is showing error? I think person's name here and phone. Oh, phone is coming here. Now this is working fine. Harsh and the login. See that it is showing my friend list. Okay. Harsh and phone number is coming. If I want to exit, today, it's running again and again. It's not running. After printing, oh, see, we do mistakes a lot. That's all. Okay. If I enter three now, no. So this is like running previous code. Okay. I cut the then three. Now closing contact loop. Okay. Now this will be working fine. You can try it yourself by seeing this code. I think class very long. Oh, 1.5 hours. Okay, bye. So do these questions as well. See the questions and take the screenshots. See, I'm telling you, string manipulation. Take input from the user like Python and print it reversed output. So you know this thing like how to reverse a string. Now list operation. Create a list number this without using the max function. Use a for loop and print the largest number in the list. Print the largest number in the list. Okay. Now dictionary magic. Here the dictionary with the keys are the names of three of your friends. And the values are their marks. Then use a loop to print the name of the friend with the highest marks. That are duplicates. We have a list nums1 to 8. Convert it into a set to remove duplicates and convert it back to a list. Then print the new list. Tuple swapping. Take two variables a and b without using third variable using tuple unpacking to swap their values so that a is equal to b and b is equal to 10. Okay. This question is like coming in your exams if you are in college. Swapping the numbers. This question comes many times. And do these questions. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.